What's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. This car is here because it's been outside where it's been neglected and years of UV rays have not only beat down on the paint but also on the trim, giving you this chalky or discolored look. And I know this is a problem that a lot of us face because harmful UV rays or just harsh elements in general tend to discolor and fade and then eventually crack the exterior trim that's on our vehicles. So today I'm going to show you how to properly clean and dress your exterior plastics. Starting off with some nonsense, which we've diluted 10 to 1, and also one of our larger set of the All in the Details brush. This is going to remove any dirt or any kind of old dressings or basically any kind of surface contaminants. This way we have a fresh surface to start with, because any kind of dressing, whether it's water-based or oil-based, is going to bond better to a clean surface. And that's the way to get your dressings to last as long as possible, because I know a lot of people have trouble with them lasting either a week or even just a few days, but it's all in the prep work. So to get it to last as long as possible, you want to make sure that the surface is completely clean and dry before you apply any kind of dressing. But the foaming action from nonsense lifts up any kind of dirt or embedded impurities. This way we have again a fresh surface to apply our dressing or protectant. So take a clean towel and wipe away the excess. So like I mentioned, you want to make sure that the surface is completely dry before you put on any kind of dressings. And now we've used our towel here to wipe away any of the dirt as well as any of the spent product. Nice and smooth and also very clean now. So now we're going to move on to the actual coating process using our factory finish, which is designed specifically for your exterior vinyl and plastic pieces which are exposed to constant harsh elements. Or also if you're just looking to help brighten up the finish itself. And this is an aerosol which you can spray directly on the finish, because I chose this product because of the gritting or the grates on this style of sidestep. This would be very difficult to put any kind of applicator in there, which would cause a lot of buildup in here. So this is a simple spray on, let it dry, or else you can come back with a clean towel and wipe off any of the excess, but it'll give it that deep, rich black gloss. Then once you wipe away the excess, it won't be slippery, so it'll just leave a nice protective coating. And it's as simple as that. So we'll give this a couple moments to bond to the surface. It only takes a couple minutes, even if it takes that long. But in the meantime, you guys can check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for future videos. We'll see you next time.